Hello everyone, welcome back to BPSC Learn from Home. Today's topic is for a drop of water, and this for a drop of water is written by Sri Sukumar Roy. Okay, and this person, he was born on 30th October 1887 and he was expired on 10th September 1923. Okay, and this person, he was a Bengal writer. Who was a Bengal writer? This Sukumar Roy was a Bengal writer and poet from the Indian subcontinent. He is remembered mainly for his writing for the children. He was born in Kolkata, children. Okay, who is that? That is Sukumar. And this is one of the play. It is based on an immortal creation by the Sri Sukumar Roy. And immortal means living forever. Means it is one of the play. It is based on the immortal creation. And this Sri Sukumar Roy, he was the master of literature of nonsense. Means nonsense is nothing but it is a logical and a favorite with the children of all ages. That is what I said before, that he is remembered mainly for his writing for the children. Who is that children? That is Sri Sukumar Roy. And this is the drop of the water. The topic name itself is for a drop of water. So you can see the drop of the water. And the characters in this chapter is traveler, pauper, old man, second old man. And you people can see how this traveler is going to face this nonsense people in this chapter. Now I am going to start this chapter, children. Now, first the traveler will say, "Oh, I must have some water. I have been walking the whole day. It's a long way still to go. But where can I get some water? All the shutters are down. Nobody seems to be around. There's someone comes this way." Means this traveler will say, "Oh, I must have some water. The whole day I am walking." Who was walking? This traveler. He used to walk whole day. So he felt very thirsty. And he wants some water. You can see the image of the traveler. He is in need of the water. Okay. And here it's a long way still to go. Still I have to walk for a long time. I need some water. I am very thirsty. Means who had said? This traveler had said. But where can I get some water? And afterwards this traveler will say, "From where can I get some water? It is, I am unable to get the water." Means who used to say? This traveler. All the shutters are down. Means all the shutters are down. All the doors of the house are closed. Nobody seems to be around. Okay, and I cannot see anyone over this place. And then someone comes this way. And afterwards, when he used to be in that way, then one person will come on that way. A man enters with a basket of fruits. Okay, who had entered there? Who children? Author had entered there. And this person, he had come there, means he used to enter with a basket of fruits. Means he used to sell fruits. What is, before that, this traveler will say, "Excuse me, please, where can I get some water?" This traveler will say for author, "Please, excuse me, I am in need of some water." Means this traveler will ask to who children? That is author. "Did you say water? No water here, only watermelon." And what this person, this author, first of all is going to sell the fruits. Okay, what this person will say to the traveler? "Here there is no water, but there is only watermelons." Who had said this? Author had said to traveler. Then the traveler will say, "But I don't want a watermelon, I want water." Okay, this person will say, yeah, traveler, he will say that I don't want watermelon, I want only, what is that? Water. Let's see, answer to. And next what this person will say, let us see it. Do you really? Then why do you ask for water? I don't sell water. Means if you are in need of water, means you are really telling that you want water, then I am not selling water. Just I am selling watermelons. Do you, means you are asking for me water. I am just selling the watermelons, but I am not selling the water. But I don't have water so that I can sell to you. Means who had said? The Saka had said to traveler. And then traveler will say, I am sorry sir, I was a fool to ask you for water. And afterwards, this traveler will say to the author, I am very sorry sir, I had asked you the water. Means he had said that I am really a fool to ask you water. Means who had said? This traveler had said to author. Then this author will say, you really were. One carries water in a bucket, not in a basket. Really you are a fool. Means this author will say to the traveler, one will carry the water in the bucket, not in the basket. Means who had said? This author had said to traveler. It is real, children. How can they carry the water in the basket? It is impossible, no? So this person will say, this author will say to the traveler, one will carry water where children in the bucket, but not in the basket. Then this traveler will say, oh, what reasoning! Now I better ask that old man. Enters an old man. Okay, oh, what a reasoning! Imagine I said your children, and their reasoning is logic. What a logic you are telling to me. This person will say to the author. Now I better ask the other old man. Okay, he will say, now let me ask the other old man. And now this old man, you can see here, this old man now enters. Who is going to enter, children? This old man. And what this old man will ask, let us see here. Who's there? Is that Gopal? This old man will ask for traveler. Who is there? Is your Gopal? Means who had asked? This old man will ask to traveler. Okay, this person, old man, not second old man, first old man will ask to the traveler, who is that? Is it Gopal? Means he is going to ask. And this traveler will say, no sir, I come from Popgaon. I have been looking for some water for an hour. And afterwards, this traveler will say, no, I am not Gopal sir, I come from Popgaon. It is one of the name of the place. That is Popgaon. Okay, it is the name of the place where this traveler had come from. Okay, and means it is means this traveler will say to the old man that I am not Gopal, but I came from Popgaon. I have been looking, means I am looking for the sake of the water from an hour. Means I am really searching water since 1 hour. Means who had said? This traveler had said to old man. And next what this old man will say? Ha ha, what a nonsense. Popgaon is famous for its excellent water, and you have come here to look for water? And afterwards this old man will say, ah, what a nonsense you are telling me. And this place, that is the Popgaon is one of the excellent place for the sake of the, means it is one of the famous for the excellent water what it is present in this Popgaon. Means who had said? This old man had said. Means this Popgaon is famous for its water. That is there is an excellent water present in that place. You have come to our place and you have come here to look for a water. You can have there itself, no. Means this old man will say to traveler. Next what happens? Let us see here. Traveler, yes sir, I have been walking the whole day and And afterwards, what this traveler will say, yes sir, I have been. I know that it is a excellent water which is present in my place, but whole day, that is, I have been walking the whole day. Whole day I am walking and I am choked with thirst. What do you mean by this one, children? Choked with, it means he is very thirsty. Who is very thirsty? His throat all it is going to dry. Whose children? That is traveler. Understood? And next what he will say? Old man will say that you must be. One gets choked with thirst. At the sight of the good water, the very name makes you feel thirsty. You feel thirsty. You feel thirsty the moment and you think of it. Have you ever tasted the water of Gumri? And afterwards, this person does what this old man will say for traveler, let us hear. You must be, means you might have been feeling thirsty. One gets off with the thirst, means if you are feeling thirst, definitely the throat will dry. That it happens to everyone at the sight of the good water. If they are going to see the good water also, they will feel very thirsty. Means if they are going to see the water, they may think that they want to drink the water. And afterwards, what this man is saying, the very names makes you also feel thirsty. If I say regarding the water also, you may feel very thirsty. Okay, what the nonsense this old man is saying for the travelers. If you see the water also, you may feel thirsty. If you say the water also, you may feel thirsty. And then you feel thirsty. And afterwards, you feel thirsty the moment we think of it also. If you are going to think of water also, if you are going to think of thirsty also, you may feel thirsty. Means this old man answered to traveler. Have you ever tasted the water of Gumri? And afterwards, he will raise the question. What was the question he had raised? Did you taste the water of Gumri? Okay, he had said that, did you taste the water of this Gumri? Means who had said? This old man had said to traveler. This was the question what this old man had asked to traveler. Traveler will say, no, I haven't, but. Okay, but what this person will say, no, I haven't tasted the water of Gumri, but. What he will say? Again this old man will say, you haven't it? What a pity. Oh, I have tasted a variety of water, hot water, spring water, stream water, tap water, rain water, but the water of Gumri is unique. Okay, when this old man had raised the question that haven't you tasted the water of Gumri, then this person will say, no, I have not tasted that. He had said. And afterwards, this old man will say for the traveler that, what a pity. Oh, I have tasted a variety of water. Means, who had tasted? This old man is telling that he has tasted a variety of water. That is which, he has tasted the pond water. And next one is spring water. Okay, spring water also he has tasted. And even stream water. Tap water. And even the rain water. Here, what it happens now means this person, what this old man will say for the traveler, you haven't tasted. What a pity on you. And afterwards he'll say, I have tasted pond water, even spring water, stream water, tap water, rain water. But if you compare to this all, but the water of this Gumri, it is totally unique. What do you mean by unique, children? It is special. Means it is a special type of water. Means it is totally different. Means who I said? This old man I said to traveler. And next, what this traveler will do here? This traveler will say, let the water of Gumri be at Gumri. I can do with a little let it be in the gumri. Okay, the water you are telling about the gumri, let that water be in gumri itself. But indeed, I want little water, just a drop of water I will need because it has to quench my thirst. Means who acted here? This traveler acted to old man. Then this old man will say, then you could have had it at Hopga. Why have you come this? For to have it, silly man. And afterwards, this old man will say, you can have the water. This old man will say to the traveler that you can have in your place itself. That is the Hopga, it is excellent water. Why did you come to our place to have for the sake of the water you can drink there itself? No. Means who had said? This old man had said to traveler children. Okay. This is regarding the conversation between the old man and traveler. Now let us see regarding the other person, that is second old man. What will be the conversation between traveler and second old man?